like a Hellcat.
What is up, you guys? It's AZ Fat Man here to do a food review that you guys told me I should try. Here's these buffalo sticks from QT. And also put this down, put that down, start order. And now, you guys, I'm gonna try one of their meals. So I'm gonna go with lunch and dinner. We're gonna see what they have. I think I'm gonna go with their grilled cheese and their BLT. I am gonna get extra more lettuce and okay. Add to cart. Check out. Submit order. There we go. Now I get to pick that up. And I get to go pay for it. Yay me. So, like I said, I'm going to try their cheese crisp that they have and their buffalo chicken. Just for you guys, because why not? Alright.
Number 4, gotcha. Alright. Go ahead whenever you're ready. How you doing, man?
And I got a refill too.
Gotcha, no problem. Got these for you.
Alright, guys. I'll get back to you when I get my sandwich and stuff. Alright, so while I'm waiting, I'm going to tell you guys, this is the first time I've had their cheese crisps. Because, you know, well, I mean, they're grilled cheese. I'm sorry, grilled cheese. But I'm hoping it's going to be good. You guys commented down, remember? 5 fat fingers means it's good. 1 fat finger means it's okay. So, right now I'm just waiting. And this is going to be a shorter video today just because it's, you know, a gas station. It's a quick meal, fast and easy, so can't wait. Alrighty, you guys, I am now out of QT and I did get their cheese crisp BLT right here. Presentation, it's actually a pretty big sandwich. Looks good. Oh, look at that, you guys. Look at the cheese just getting pulled apart. That's actually pretty good right there. Bread is nice and toasted. Looks good. It's really good. Nice crunch to it. The lettuce is nice. The tomatoes. I think it would be good with some hot sauce. That's my own opinion. Maybe some chipotle mayo in it. But otherwise, it's a really good sandwich. It's worth getting. It is. It's really worth getting. Very cheesy, very good. Now the second thing you guys told me to try are these, the buffalo sticks. Now, with that cheese crisp, I give it 4 fat fingers. It's good, but it could be improved. Not saying it's bad, it can be improved. 4 fat fingers for the cheese crisp. Now the chipotle, I mean the buffalo stick. It's nice. It has nice meat in there. There's some cheese. It has a little bit of bite to it, which I like. I actually like this. You know what? This together would actually be pretty good. Oh. This combination is so much better. That's amazing right there. You know, buffalo stick, really good. I give it a fat 5 fingers. But with this together, I give it like 20 fat fingers. This thing's good right here. Very good, you guys. Well, overall, QT has nice food. I had their pretzels before and their shakes. Overall, all their food is good. Some of it can be better. Some of it's good by itself. I give QT's Kitchen, in total, how nice the person was, how fast it came out, and everything. I give it 5 fat fingers. That means it is good. Go to your local QT and get some shit. It's perfect. Alright, guys? I'll see you guys next time. Remember, stay fluffy, stay fat, be happy. Bye!